May mga ganun bang training sa'yo?
Galing.
Na you wouldn't realize that, but pag lumalabas seminaryo, mga they bring about such a discipline din sa buhay nila. So if you ask me, more than the seminary setting, I would rather have siguro young men na nasa high school, be given a specific formation, siguro template na part of the normal school life. Pero for example, isasama sila on weekends na may retreat, searching, then they were being taught na rin specifically mga ganitong prayers. Parang inaano mo na sila, you're trying to, hindi naman push, but lead them towards the vocation by training them also while living a normal life naman. Kung ako tatanungin, ako born of that setting ng seminaryo. Pero, ewan ko kung abnormal ba ako nung lumaki ako. Pero, okay na rin naman ang kanalapsan. Nag-obispo pa nga. Pero in a ways, ang tingin ko better yung mas open pa sila sa family.
Yeah.
Closer kasi ang laki pa rin ng pangangailangan at that age.
Kasi parang detached ka na
detached ka talaga eh. So yung relationship mo with your parents, malaking epekto yan pag tumatanda ka rin minsan eh. And then, relationship with other people. Kaya minsan siguro kami, mga nagiging pare, minsan di alam kung paano mag-relate ng maayos sa tao eh. Because at a young age na dapat na-form sa iyo yung relational skills, wala. Kasi kayo-kayo lang eh.
Okay.
Lalaki sa lalaki. Tuloy pag may babaeng kaharap, di malaman paano kakausapin.
Yeah.
No? Until ayun ko, if you get the skills pa afterwards. So, these are things na sabi ko sana ma-work out. And some seminaries do eh. I know for a fact na some seminaries already adjusted that. Ang formation nasa seminaryo, pero ang schooling sa katabing school.
Okay.
So, may mga classmate na ladies, girls. Ka-clarify lang siya. Gusto mo magpare. So, part of your decision-making in life is not to enter a exclusive relationship.
Okay.
Girlfriend, boyfriend. So, yun yung isang ituturo sa'yo. Of course, it's up to you pa rin naman yun. But at least at that age, you make those decisions.
Parang nagkakaroon ka na ng discernment.
Yeah.
Kasi you expose both worlds.
Oo. Kaysa doon sa kayo-kayo lang, sadya wala kang magiging girlfriend doon. Tapos, bukod pa doon, gagawa ka ng paraan.